Hey y'all, Rochelle here, your delightful crafter. So, got a little different scene here, huh? As promised, I told you that I would put together one of the um, Nordic Diamond Bauble Boxes from my Tonic Craft Kit number 36. And I was actually going for a different look. I was originally going to go with this pink base, and then my daughter, and I agree with her, she thought it looked like Valentine's. I still think a pink base would look good if I went with a different color scheme, but I'm just going to save these for a different project. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I hope you stick around a spell. If you like what you see, please hit that subscribe button, ding that bell next door if you want to get notifications of future videos. Thumbs up, likes are always appreciated. And any questions or comments, please leave them down below. So I've pretty much done the bulk of the work, you know, the die cutting, putting everything together besides the actual body. And you can't see it on here, but when I had, like I said, I had originally was going to go with the pink base. I cut out, you can't see it, but there's actually a layer of the white textured weave underneath the red mirror card. And so that would have been accented against the pink. But again, and my daughter's right, it looked more Valentine than it did Christmas. So I just layered it on top of another white base, and I still like the look. I think maybe what I would have done different had I, didn't have to make that detour. I probably would have cut through the white and put acetate behind to see through the box. Yeah, that's what I would have done. And doing that, then there would have been like a little peekaboo as to what's inside the gift box. But it didn't work out that way. Now, one thing, putting this together, I wasn't, paying attention when I originally opened the kit. And so, if you have this and you're going to make this bauble box, this is the easiest part of the whole thing, is your base. All right, you have to cut 2 of those. Now, to get these intricate cuts here, I was kind of hoping it was a little different. I was actually hoping that the base would be a little wider than your intricate cut. But what you have to do when you're cutting this is you're going to layer these 2 together and use your washi tape to make sure everything stays in place. You've got all your edges even, and then you have to run it through the machine together. The other route you can go, if you want to, is you can just use your base and cut into it like that. And maybe paper piece. I would probably stick another panel in the back if you want to cut in paper piece, but I wasn't feeling that today. And again, this was just a first run on this particular kit. But anyway, so we're just gonna do the finishing up. I haven't picked out ribbon. I didn't do any of the tags that come with this particular kit. If you're new to my channel and you're not familiar with Tonic Studios, they have a monthly subscription called their Tonic Craft Kit. This one's already sold out, so you're not going to be able to get this. These are only available for 1 month, and when they're gone, they're gone. And so they've already launched the October, like you can already see what's going to come out in October. So if you want to go check that kit out, I would go to their Tonic YouTube channel to see. It'll be kit number 37. And they're calling it, I think, the Rose Mailing. It's like a Nordic I don't know. I don't get as much of a Nordic feel out of it, but that's what they're calling it. And it's pretty, but it's, I didn't really get much. It's like layering is all it is. It's pretty. It's probably one of this is going to be the 37th kit. And there's only been like 2 others that I didn't really care for. And this is probably one that is not one of, it doesn't rank up there anywhere near my favorites. And that's the one that's coming out. But it is pretty. So, check it out. It might be your cup of tea. But I'm going to be making a bunch of these to fill up with goodies to give to my coworkers for Christmas. And it's really, it's a unique shape and really pretty. It's easy to fill. You'd actually fill it from the bottom. I would anyway. So we're going to put this together. This is going to be a short video. And I'm using the Tonic Nouveau Deluxe adhesive. This is I use art glitter glue. I also love the Scotch quick dry adhesive. Love this stuff. And then I also love the Tonic Craft tacky glue. But this is what I had close to me when I started. So this is what we're using. Anywho, really easy. What I like to do is I'll just run it on the little tab there. Close that up. And then I like to do stuff flat, so I know that I'm getting a good adhesion on the glue. I'll press one side, I flip over, and I make sure I press the other side. Also, before I even start putting on the panels, I like to go ahead and pre-fold them. Now, if you're looking here, as you see, there is a fold there that, honestly, I think they should have accounted for that in the original die, and they didn't. So, as you see, it's not wanting to adhere, but we're going to work it and well, it really doesn't want to, does it? They should have put a little score line in that part of the die. We're going to fold it again, press it. It doesn't want to stay. We're going to hold it for a little bit. And yeah. It takes a little bit. Now, like I said, this one here, I am actually going to glue the top, and I have to figure out how I want to do the bottom. Technically, I would say glue the bottom, because if you look at the shape of this box, come on, get in there. Yeah, you can, put your ribbon in there and decorate however you want, but you can't really get anything out of the top once it's put together. So I might use like a repositionable tape here on the bottom. And with this one, I think I am just going to cut a little bit off this tab. And I'm going to go based on the same. I think that'll work. Yep, that's going to work good. Awesome. Yeah, they either really needed to put a score line right here on this tab, or just cut it off entirely. So, this is going to be a quick video. And I think when I actually finish the whole grouping of these boxes, I'll show them to you finished, any added decorations. Oh, this is going to be fun. Let's see. I've got it lined up, but you can't really press down. Yeah, this is going to be a box. If you have this one, you're going to want to load from the bottom. Boy. Come on, stay. And this is a good reason why I don't do a lot of process videos. Just because, let's fold you out so I can get in there. You never know what kind of little troubles you're going to run into and how long your video is going to run. And it took me forever to get all the little bits and pieces out of the die cut. Oh, it fell. We're going to do this. We're going to get in there and we're going to make it secure. So we're going to run up there with the bone folder, press down so that the adhesive is uniform. And I think that's good. Okay. All right. Yeah. So I think what I'm going to do with when I make these, you know, fill them, I'm going to fill them from the bottom. And so I'm going to use repositionable tape on these. That's, how do I want to do that? I think I'll do it like that. I'm going to do repositionable tape here at the bottom. Put this one down. That way, when you open it up and something tears, you still have a backup. So, this is your finished Nordic Diamond Bauble Box. Again, this one came with like sentiment dies to decorate the gift tags. Here's the rest of the die set. And you can do different, oh, come on. You can do a different top. So I used the Christmas ornaments. This one, you can't see it, but these are snowflakes. You have an oval gift tag here. You can do with snowflakes, or you have the round one you can do with either the Christmas ornaments or the reindeer and the Christmas tree. And then you have this tiny little one that you can add the following sentiments of peace, love, joy, and Noel. So that is where this one is sitting. I'm not going to close it up because, like I said, I still have to make the rest and fill them. And I'm going to make them all different. I'm not going to make them the same. So once I finish these, it'll probably be early December when I do it. I'll come back on and I'll show you all the different boxes that I made for my coworkers. So, like I said, I came on here. Some of y'all wanted to see this kit actually made. My favorite, I love the Christmas ornaments. I think they're my favorite. And I do love the little Nordic reindeer and Christmas tree. And there's even a little bird down there. And then this, that's a poinsettia. So, super, super cute. I do like the red and the white, but I really wanted to go with 3 colors. You can also save this and think about, and this is something to think about, but it's a lot of piecing. You can cut this part out here, lay it down with like some washi tape, and then piece all the paper in, and then pull it up, and so it's like a raised image coming up off of the base. I might try that with one of the other boxes, just not today, because that'll be really time consuming. You can either decorate one side and leave the other alone. You know, again, something to think about. You could go with the reindeer here, and where's the other one? yeah, you only have your choice of the reindeer on the side. The only thing that you can really change up is this tag up here at the front. It can either be the Christmas ornaments or it can be the snowflake. So, there you go. I hope you enjoyed. Like I said, when I finish making the rest and I have them filled up, I'll share them with you with the ribbons and tags and all that fun stuff. So that'll be somewhere between the 1st and like the 15th or so, I think, of December, when I'll have all those done to share. So, anywho, I hope you enjoyed, and I love you guys to pieces. Happy crafting. Bye-bye.